Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a simple borderless form in VB.net using WPF. Let's get started. First, open Visual Studio. Then, go to File, select New Project, and choose WPF Application. Name your project and click OK. To make the window borderless, go to mainwindow.xaml. In the window tag at the top, set window style to none, and allows transparency to true. This removes the default border and allows us to create a transparent background. To make the window visible, set the background to a color by replacing transparent with a color. For instance, you could set the background property to blue. Now, let's run the application to see the borderless form in action. Click on the Start button or press F5. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe for more programming content. Thanks for watching.